Hello everyone, I'm back again this week. These last few days have been rough. I don't know about you, the seasons are changing. Last few days I have had a cold, I have not felt good, but I'm like, I'm gonna get on here and I'm gonna be a trooper, I'm gonna tough it out. Today we're gonna be talking about how I prep my skin before makeup. It's actually a lot more simple than my nightly skincare routine, so we're just gonna dive in right now and get started. Just like last time, I told you exfoliation is huge, it's important. I exfoliate in the morning, I exfoliate at night. And the exfoliator, and this is the number one, if I had to choose between the two, I'm gonna pick Skin Cosmetics Derma Peel. This is what they call a non-negotiable. In other words, we're not gonna negotiate that you need this because it's true, you do. This one has thicker granules, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get me a glob right now. Why sit here and explain it to you when I can just show you, right? All right, we're gonna get a pretty good dime, or a little more than a dime size, and just kind of dab it on the different areas of the face. And we're gonna do circular motions. It recommends to do this with a wet face, and I'm going to add water in just a second. But I like to start off and do a dry rub so that it comes off quick. All right, really work those areas where you have expressions, like on the forehead, around the mouth. Okay, now what I did is I got me some water, and I'm gonna add water to it. The goal here is to get a red glow on your face. You're like, what? Isn't it usually bad when your face is red? No. In this case, you are stimulating blood circulation to the top surface of your skin, which is good. That's how you know you're exfoliating the dead skin cells. And you know, when I wake up in the morning, I have residue from the skincare products that I use. At nighttime, you want to get all of that off. Any dry skin, old product that you may have missed, maybe even makeup that you may have missed. God forbid, huh? We're gonna get that off. That's good, we worked it for a few minutes. Okay, I've scrubbed it, I've rinsed it off, but you know what? We don't wanna leave out the lips. So the next product that we're gonna be using is by Skin Cosmetics as well. And this is called Derma Peel for Lips. It's a lip quenching and exfoliating scrub. So we're gonna get like a good, I don't wanna say dime size, maybe a little less than that. Put it on the lips, because you can get dry skin on your lips. You work those really good. You want to exfoliate the lips and then hydrate them so that they're nice and smooth when you apply your lipstick. Let's take that off. All right. Woo! Yeah, smooth as a baby's butt. That's right. Okay, so after we've exfoliated everything, we want a mask. I think masks are essential. Some people don't think it's that big a deal, but as you get older, start when you're young. As you get older, you'll find that it is super essential. In my last couple of makeup videos, you guys have seen that I use the Skin Cosmetics Energy Eye Mask, and I just put it on when I'm in a hurry in the mornings. I only just mask underneath my eyes because that area usually needs more hydration than the rest of the face. So, but today we're not gonna be using this one. Today we're actually going to be using Skin Cosmetics Wrinkle Soak Mask. This can be used all over the face, under the eyes, on the neck. And since I'm not really in any hurry going anywhere today, that's when I take time to hydrate the whole face. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. And no, I am not a sponsor. I'm not being sponsored by Skin Cosmetics. I simply tell you guys to use these products because I have used them for over 10 years and they have worked. I do not have tons of wrinkles on my face. I'm in my 40s and my skin is still smooth. And like I talked about in my nightly routine, the issues that I have are discoloration, and that's because when I was in my younger 20s, I didn't know anything about sunscreen. I didn't know anything about protecting your skin from the sun and how important it was. I went to tanning beds and did all of that. But this skincare and one of my other skin secrets, which I have not revealed yet, my number one, that will be in another video, is coming out, I believe has helped me to maintain youthfulness and a nice glow and smooth canvas to apply that makeup. So what we'll do is, it says to let this sit 10 to 15 minutes. If you have that kind of time in the morning, that's great. If you don't, maybe get up a little bit earlier if you really need it. If not, then just put it under the eyes and do like I did in the makeup tutorial. So we're gonna let this sit and I'll come back and I'll show you my last 2 steps before makeup. Okay, I let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's feeling nice and hydrated. Whew, and plump. It's smooth. This is exactly what you want. Now we're just gonna go ahead and seal it in by using the moisturizer, and I have the moisturizing spray that goes right after it. During the day, I've been using the Tatcha Dewy Cream, Skin Cream, and I've really liked how this one has worked underneath the makeup. All of Skin Cosmetics moisturizers, their Collagenesis Age Reset creams, all of those are awesome. I just find that this one absorbs a little bit better, so it doesn't like leave any type of residue between the skin and the makeup. This one seems to be doing a little bit better. If my skincare routine changes on how I do it, I'll give you guys an update. But as for right now, I've been using the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and this one's worked great. Make sure that anytime you use a product before you put on your makeup that you give it time to absorb. And I do like a pretty, I want to say thick layer. I don't use an eye cream because I found that most eye creams or serums, I don't put on any serums before I do my makeup, because a lot of times what happens is they leave a residue. And what it can do is it can cause your makeup to separate from the skin and start kind of like peeling off. So let's do this. Today I'm using the Tatcha cream on my neck, but a lot of times, actually most of the time, I use the Skin Cosmetics Neck Amore cream that I showed you guys in my nightly skincare routine, just because that one is thicker, it's more effective. But since we're just doing this for the camera today, not because we're really going anywhere, we're just gonna go with this. So we're gonna make sure and get a good ample amount. The older we get, the more moisturizer we're packing on, all right? It just works. Hey, what we lose, we gotta put back in everything. Whether that's on the inside or it's on the outside, we gotta put it back. Okay, the last step, you saw this in my nightly skincare routine as well. I use it in the morning just to kind of lock in the moisture. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I give it, I don't know, about 5 or 6 pumps, get it all over my face, my neck. That adds some extra hydration. Doesn't taste good on the mouth, but you add some extra hydration on there, and it just locks and seals it in. So I just wait for everything to absorb, give it a few minutes, and then that's when I start on my foundation and my makeup routine. So that's how it is. It's pretty simple, you guys. I told you it's not that complicated, yet it is a great way to start off the day and prep your skin for makeup. If you like this video, this was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, click subscribe. I have a lot more videos to come with a lot more cool and interesting things. If you haven't started following me on Instagram or Facebook, it's BonnieAllen.fashion, just like my channel. Come check me out. I post pretty much every day different style ideas and products that I like and try to highlight them. I even give discount codes on different products that I use, whether it's sunglasses or jewelry, or we'll see what's next. So you guys follow me, check it out, and subscribe so that you can get future videos. And don't forget, guys, you guys are lovely. And remember, beauty can be at any age.
Yes, I do.